Today, I'm going to teach you how to make easy shrimp egg rolls.
Yum!
This is how to make easy shrimp egg rolls. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil and about a tablespoon of minced garlic into a wok, or you can use a large pan. Heat your sesame oil and your minced garlic for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. Now add a little bit of Chinese 5-spice, and that's optional. You don't have to add that. And stir this around. You mix the sesame oil, the garlic, and the 5-spice together. You want to add about 4 cups of shredded cabbage and about 2 cups of shredded carrots. Now mix the shredded cabbage and the carrots so it's covered in the oil and the garlic and the Chinese 5-spice, and saute this for a couple minutes. While this is sauteing, if you feel like it, you can add in a few scallions. After about 4 or 5 minutes of sauteing your mixture, you want to add about a pound of small peeled, deveined, raw shrimp into your mixture. And stir this all together until the shrimp is cooked. That should take about 3 minutes. And while the shrimp is cooking, you want to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of light soy sauce. And this is optional. If you feel like it, you can add in about 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. That'll give it a little sweet flavor. Mix this all together. And once the shrimp are cooked, we're going to take this off of the stove and let the mixture cool down. And your egg roll mixture is finished once the shrimp turn pink. I use Nasoya egg roll wraps. You can find them in usually the produce section of your supermarket. Then place your egg roll wraps on a plate and you want to cover them with a damp paper towel because egg roll wrappers dry out very quickly. So this will just keep them from drying out. So now we're ready to wrap. We have our egg roll wraps right here. We have our mixture, and you want a little bowl of water to seal the egg rolls after you roll them. Take your first egg roll wrap, and if you've seen my other videos, you want to put it like a diamond, the point facing you. You want to take about a tablespoon of egg roll mixture and place it right there. And to wrap it, you want to take this corner facing you and just fold it over like that. Sorry, but I only have one hand to do this. And then you want to take this corner and fold it like that and make sure it's tight. And then we're going to take this corner and fold it like that. And we're going to put a little bit of water right on the end here, just so that everything sticks. And you're going to roll it just like that. So you have a nice, tight egg roll. And we're going to do this with the rest of the mixture, and I'll be right back. So I got about 14 egg rolls out of that mixture, and they're all wrapped. You want to take your wok, and you want to put about a cup to a cup and a half of vegetable oil in the bottom and let this heat up. It should cover about 2 inches of the bottom of the wok. And once this heats up, we're going to put our egg rolls in for a few minutes, and then they will be done. The oil is hot, so now we're going to place our egg rolls in, and you don't want to crowd the wok. Just want to place maybe 3 or 4 in at a time. And we're going to fry these up. I'm going to do it for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, until they turn golden brown. Make sure after about a minute or 2 minutes you flip them over so they cook on the other side. And once they're golden brown, or golden, you want to remove them from the wok. This right here took me about 4 to 5 minutes. And you want to place them on a plate, lined with a paper towel to drain the oil. And continue to do this with the rest of your egg rolls until they are all cooked. And voila! That's it! That's how you make easy shrimp egg rolls. And the duck sauce is from extra Chinese carryout that I keep in a bucket, and I must have like 4,000 of them. But anyway, that's it. Enjoy.